friends. I'm Miss Mary, and this is the Alpena County George N. Fletcher Public Library, and we're here again with another puppet show for you today. And this puppet show is really pretty cool because it goes along with our times right now. It's called The Wizard Sneeze. And so I have to see if our puppets are well enough to perform today. Are we ready back there?
Oh, yeah, I'm ready.
I think one of them might not be feeling real well. I better go check. See you in a bit.
Oh, my head.
What's the matter with your head?
Oh, I'm not quite sure.
Well, I feel just fine.
Well, good for you.
I'm the queen, so I should feel fine. I'm tired of all the rain. Oh, all this rain all this week. I hope the wizard can make it stop. I just don't know.
The guard said you wanted to see me, Your Majesty.
Yes, I'd like you to do something about the weather, so we'll have a nice day tomorrow for the pig roast.
Oh, I'll try, Your Majesty, but I'm not sure if I could do anything.
Well, why not? You've worked weather spells before.
I've caught the sneezing bug that's going around, so every time I sneeze, achoo!
Where did he go? He didn't even finish his sentence. Ah! Take this, and this, and this, and this, and this.
I'm not really a spider, Your Majesty.
And that.
Please stop hitting me, Your Majesty. I'm really the wizard.
Oh, you certainly look like a spider. Yuck! Oh, how can that be?
When I sneezed, I turned into a spider.
Well, why would you want to do that?
I don't want to do that, but it happens whenever you get sneezing. You turn into an animal whenever you sneeze.
Can you use magic to change yourself back?
I can try. Alakazam, Alakazee, change me back to look like me.
Now, where is he? Is he there? Over there? Oh, no, he isn't here again. Oh! The bearskin rug has come to life. Back, Bruno, back! Back, Bruno, back!
Oh! I won't hurt you, Your Majesty. Please stop poking me.
Is that you, wizard?
Yes, when I sneezed, I turned into a bear.
I thought you were going to turn back to your regular self.
I wanted to, but my magic doesn't always work when I'm sick.
Oh, well, maybe it would work better if you had your magic wand. Would you like me to get it for you?
Oh, yes, please, yes, please.
Being the queen can be so tough. Oh.
I hope this works.
Boy, your
switching hurts so much.
Your room is a mess. I thought you would have a maid to clean your room.
Oh.
I found it. It was under your bed.
Oh, I will change it next time there. Oh.
I got it.
Oh, good.
Here it is. I'll wave it while you recite your spell.
Oh, thank you. Abracadabra, abracadoo, make me a wizard instead of a zoo.
Oh, dear. He's vanished again. Oh, I just don't get it. I don't understand any of it. I just don't get it. What's going on? I thought, a pig! The pig for the pig roast is loose. Get over here, Porky. Get over here.
Please, Your Majesty, let me go.
Oh, I hear the wizard, but I don't see him.
I'm right here, Your Majesty. I've turned into a pig.
If you don't change back to your regular self, someone might roast you tomorrow.
Oh, I think I need my book of magic.
I know. I'll go get it.
Oh.
A queen's work is never done. Oh,
I hope the magic works this time. I'm getting awfully sore. Oh.
I found it. I hope this is the right one.
Will you please hold the book for me to look at while I read?
Okay, I hope this works. Give it a try, pig.
I'm ready to try again, Your Majesty. Razzle, dazzle, frazzle, pop, magic, make this switching stop.
Here we go again. I just don't... Oh, you're back. Hi, wizard. Oh,
I see you're back. Thank heavens you're back. Will you please do something about this rain now?
I'm very sorry, Your Majesty, but when I'm sick, I can only cast 3 spells a day.
Then why don't you go to bed and rest for tomorrow?
I will. You better lie down too, Your Majesty. You're starting to look a little pale. Oh, I hope she doesn't get sick.
I'm feeling a little strange. I hope I'm not getting sick. Oh, achoo! Oh, achoo! 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 Oh, that was horrible. I don't like those kind of sneezes. I'm going to go check on that wizard. Gadzooks! I caught the wizard sneezing. Oh well, at least I can enjoy the weather now. It's a great day for ducks. Singing in the rain, quack, quack. Singing in the rain, quack, quack. Oh, what a feeling, quack, quack.
Well, I hope you got the message, and as you can see, being back there with all those sneezes, I put my mask on. I hope all of you are safe at home with your mask on, and I'm going to have the wizard come up, and we're going to put one on him. Do you think we should? Come on up, wizard.
Oh.
Did anybody tell you you should wear a mask?
Oh, no, they didn't.
Well, here, let's try it and see if we can get this. Oh, it might be tricky getting it over your... Oh, I think we got it. Here, we'll just fasten it behind your head here. Don't sneeze. Don't sneeze till I get it. Don't do it till I get you fixed. Here you go. Let me get it over your mouth.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Isn't that great?
Oh, that's much better now.
So, I hope you're being safe out there, and we'll see you again with another puppet show. See you later. Bye, wizard.